We are here today at the Port St. Lucie Civic Center for State of Jobs Conference. We're partnering with the Economic Development Council and Career Source, including 2 other districts, Indian River and Martin County. We have 300 St. Lucie Public School students here doing career exploration. And what they are going to do today is be exposed to soft skills, financial resources, and also the different skill sets that are needed for each industry sector.
It's very exciting, because you get to experience what you want to do in life 10 years from now, So I feel like this is a great opportunity and I learned so much from it, and I'm looking forward to more opportunities like this.
Today's event is about bringing the seniors and juniors, the young adults, to the event today to try to educate and inform them on opportunities that are available to them that they might not be aware of, that they could earn a decent living coming right out of high school and earn a career pathway into one of these industries that we focused on.
In the financial group, Jeremy from Merrill Edge with Bank of America, he gave me some good advice on his financial career and how he started, so it gives me some insight on how I can create a career path and hopefully get to where I want to be in my career.
I chose skilled trades because I'm very interested in becoming an electrician. Wayne, the carpenter, I thought he was a very cool guy and he gave some good advice. He kept it 100, he let me know straightforward what I needed to know to be an electrician, make good money, live good, take care of my family.
These students are engaged in the activities, and we hope that it's going to help them with their post-secondary career choices.